Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a content writing skill for Claude Projects using the easy building methods. This is the perfect way to transform your project workspace into a dedicated writing specialist that automatically knows how to draft high-performing blog sheets and social media updates exactly the way you want. Step 1. Open your Project Hub view and name your writing skill room. The first step is to open your main project dashboard view. Click the option to start a fresh project space and give your new writing workspace a highly focused name. Move your mouse cursor over to the left side menu layout screen, click on the button that says New Project, and type a clear name like Blog Content Builder Room using your keyboard keys. Click the confirmation button to load your fresh, empty workspace directory flat against your monitor screen rows. Because the application builds its thinking boundaries based on the name and space you provide, if you try to mix your writing tasks inside a general account layout, the assistant gets confused by your past non-writing chats. Creating a separate dedicated room locks the system focus strictly onto the single task of writing text sheets. Step 2. Type out your core tone and style instruction sheets. The second step is to open the Custom Instructions panel inside your new project room and type a clear set of rules explaining the exact voice you want the tool to use. Fill out the box labeled "What are you trying to achieve?" in the middle of your view screen. Type explicit layout rules like "Write in a friendly and conversational voice," and keep your sentences short and punchy so they are easy for normal people to scan quickly straight into the instruction field. Because without these direct voice guidelines, the writing helper will fall back on boring, robotic words that sound like an old school book. Giving the tool an exact style checklist right at the start tells the system engine exactly how to choose its words, ensuring your drafts feel warm and natural without needing massive edits later. Step 3. Insert your master formatting rules and list out banned words to avoid. The third step is to look at your instruction sheet rows and add a strict blueprint detailing how the final text files must look on the screen display. Move your typing cursor to the next line in the text field, click a section labeled Instructions, and outline how to use headers, bullet points, and where to place call to action blocks. Type in strict rules like break down big text blocks with bold subheadings every 2 paragraphs, and list out any specific buzzwords you want completely wiped out from the final text output. Because it forces the tool to deliver perfectly clean, ready-to-use drafts out of the gate. By building clear structural boundaries and banning weak filler phrases ahead of time, you stop the assistant from making messy formatting mistakes that drain your business hours during your review sessions. And that's it. To create a content writing skill for Claude Projects, you first open your dashboard and build a project room with a clear writing title on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the Configuration tab to type out your exact tone of voice and style guidelines on your screen canvas rows. Then, you write down your precise formatting rules and list out bad words to avoid to ensure your drafts look clean and professional. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.